go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Oh, you are my African king, the boy of my dream. You remind me of a thing, and that is the African beauty. Out of 1 million, you stand a chance, the astonishing one. I look into your eyes, boy, what I see is paradise. You captivated my soul, and every day I want you more. How can I deny this feeling I'm feeling inside? You couldn't make your sister sing. You are the narrating supernatural being. You are brighter than the moon. You're brighter than the stars. I love you just the way you are. You are my African king, the boy of my dream. You remind me of a thing, and that is the African beauty. Oh na 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 na, baby, how would you like to be my king? Let me ask you again, baby, would you like to be my king? Let me be your queen. I told you that I loved you in the first day. You looked into my eyes and you smiled away. Told you that I need you in my life. You still haven't given me any